Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PRTY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. I did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red line and then orange lines over here are coming from. Now, because of that big gap down on Thursday, that throws the proportions off, so things are just harder to see. So what I'm going to do here is just move this chart over. So there will be a bunch of black space, but as you can see here, that just fixes the candles and makes things a little bit easier. So to reiterate and kind of do a quick recap from Thursday, I talked about this bullish pattern that had formed, and it's the power of charts. The price got the breakout of the falling wedge pattern and is now in the middle of a technical pattern breakout. So there's no doubt about it that a breakout is underway, but that does now lead into the question of, okay, yeah, a breakout has happened, but is there any sort of true power behind this breakout? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just one of these, faulty breakouts? And so far, so good, but that is a valid question. So the easiest way to measure that and monitor that, and I'm just going to get rid of these lines here because they've served their purpose. So again, the breakout has started. Is there any sort of true power behind it? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power. So a breakout that's, truly a breakout is going to keep on getting continuation, right? It's going to make progress forward. And that's where $2.15 comes into play, because, and I'm not saying this will happen, but let's say that the price pulls back here, and then it gets to 215 and then just continues on down. At that point, what would you have? Well, from a very literal perspective, you'd have the price right back to where it was at those lows. And again, a truly strong move is not going to go back to where it was, right? However, on the flip side of things, let's say that because nothing can go straight up, so maybe the price does pull back. However, in this situation, the price behaves like that before starting to move back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. So again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 215. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, as I talked about on Thursday, nothing there has changed. First key level going to be right up there at 250, and the next key level up there right around the 275 mark. But one hurdle at a time, and so keep an eye on those levels. But all in all, got to give credit where credit's due. The bulls got the breakout. Now next week, it's just a question of can they build upon this breakout? Let's see what happens. Real quick before you go, I'm not going to give you some fancy sales pitch. All I'll say is that if you found this video helpful, then I'm very confident you would find this live class that I've put together very beneficial. So if you want to get signed up or at least just learn more, go to claytrader.com/live or see the link down in the description area. It is truly live. There's a question and answers at the end, and it's very interactive. So if you have any questions, let me know. If not, I hope to see you there.